was recognized as Top Endorser of the Year 2012. I think it's because of the loyalty and the way, I carry how I endorse those brands. Kasi each of them, I make sure na parang hindi mo mahuli ako na magamit ako ibang brand once I'm endorsing this certain, material or anything. So I have endorsements for makeup. I'm endorsing, of course, the intimate wear, active wear, bikini. I'm endorsing two derm clinics, two different derm clinics with different purposes. I'm also endorsing food. You guys can see, I think, all over the, I don't know.
Show me.
Yeah, I endorse I endorse Asian food. I even endorse lechon. It's kind of different. It's like, it's variety talaga. Biscuits, ang dami.
First time mo bang mag-endorse ng isang,
Endorse
lingerie?
talaga, yes. The first time I chose and I accepted to endorse a lingerie. Kasi sometimes, iba ang dating ng lingerie eh. So, I wouldn't just say yes, basta.
So, paano mo compare yung local brand design dun sa Brazil, sa klase ng mga
Iba doon. Mas, a little bit more daring doon. A little bit more, it's smaller eh. And sometimes, well, they're going worldwide. I can see na most of those Victoria's Secret models or whatsoever, they're mostly Brazilians and they copy those, the cuts that they have. So it's something that is not suitable for the Philippines because we are very conservative here. So that's how I discern, parang I would distinguish from being an endorser of Lady Grace and being an endorser of something in Brazil.
Pero sabi mo ganun kanina, nagpapasalamat ka kasi nga, ang dami mga Pilipino na pwede naman tapos ikaw yung napili.
Opo. Talagang thankful ako sa mga Pinoy kasi hindi lang dito na sa Lady Grace, pero sa lahat ng mga endorsements ko, parang may tiwala sila sa akin na I can actually, be a representative for this country. And now even with the travel show, I'm so thankful talaga. As in, that's the best year of my life after all the burden I've had way before. Alam mo yan.
Lagi mo sinasabi you're proud to say na you're Pinay by heart. Ano na yung mga Pinay para sa'yo?
I am Pinay by heart because I love the Pinoys. I'm in love with the Pinoy now, but that's not the main reason why I love the Philippines. I've been parang going around the world for 8 years, but once I came to this country, I just felt the love of the people. And it's different. They even tinuruan nila ako ng English, imagine. That's a big factor for me because that helped me worldwide.
Tinuruan ka na mag-Tagalog?
Yes, tinuruan nila ako mag-Tagalog. Siyempre, it takes hard work also.
Are you contemplating of changing na your citizenship?
My citizenship? Well, I'm gonna still
Lalo na malapit ka ng ikasal.
Oo nga eh. If I can get dual, I will because holding a Brazilian passport, you have so much more and you actually have entries to everywhere. And then the ones who don't have entries, it's so easy to get a visa. So I will still hold my Brazilian passport. So para paliwanag sa mga tao, I'm not getting married just to get a citizenship kasi I have my working visa, everything is fixed. But if I can be dual, I will. But if not, I'm gonna still maintain my Brazilian citizenship. Kasi alam nila Pinay ako by heart eh.
Hindi kaya magiging problema to pag kinasal ka na, baka maging mabatikos yung magiging Mr. Mo dahil ang asawa niya Brazilian foreigner, so paano? Alam mo sa politics may mga ganun na
meron ganyan sa politics. It helped me actually.
Baka sabihin ganun, hindi na siya Pilipino or
it's
baka
positive eh. Kasi parang they see that there's somebody na hindi taga rito pero nagmamahal sa isang Pinoy, and then being a politician pa, which is very controversial because some people would blame politicians for what's happening to the country, diba? And then somebody who's not from here is actually liking what that person is doing for this country. So parang positive yung dating eh. Sa akin walang negativity eh. Parang even when they I remember back then during the sauna, a lot of people criticized me why was I there, and the only answer I have for them is why not? I reside here, I pay my taxes. I more than any Filipinos out there, I pay my taxes, I reside here. I have more than the right to know what the country is all about.